Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making CRUMBL's cornbread cookies. I had never had these before until I had them at my best friend's wedding, and I knew that I just had to make them at home because they were literally so delicious. So let's get into it. So we're going to start by taking softened butter. It's going to be about 1.5 sticks, and we're going to put that in a bowl, and then we're going to use vegetable oil, granulated sugar, and brown sugar, and we're just gonna mix all of that up. I tried using like a whisk, like a power whisk, to do this in the beginning, and it did not work. It just literally went everywhere. So I creamed my butter on my own by just taking a spoon and basically like pressing everything into it until it looked like this, like literally just pressing everything in and mixing it. So after that, we're going to add our vanilla. We're going to add an egg, and then I did see that you could add butter flavoring, but I just decided to add more butter myself just because I don't need butter flavoring. I'd only use it for this. So then we add in our honey and mix all of that up until it looks like this. And then we're going to add in our flour, our cornstarch. We're going to add in baking soda, baking powder, cream of tartar, and salt. And then we're just going to mix all of that together so it should look like this. And then you're going to add in your cornmeal. Once you're done mixing, it should look like this consistency. We're going to take a baking sheet, put some parchment paper on it, and then form our cookies. These cookies really didn't set up a ton, so you don't really need to worry about spacing them too far apart. But I have a tiny RV oven, so I could only do about 6 cookies at a time. This made, like, with how small I did them, I think it made about 15 cookies. Like, it's a lot. So then we're going to put those in the oven and bake them for about 10 minutes. And now we're going to make our frosting. So our frosting is, yes, you guessed it, more butter, which I love butter, so it doesn't even matter to me. And then powdered sugar, honey, and vanilla flavoring. And then you're just going to like mix all that together basically the same way that you mixed the butter and the sugar in the beginning. So just like pressing it down and pushing backwards and continuously doing that until it's all mixed together. That was the best way that I found to do it. And then once your frosting is done, it should look like this. And when our cookies are baked, we're just going to take them out of the oven, line them up, put the frosting on top, and then a little bit of honey, and that's it. Super good, like so good. You guys have to try this. They're literally so stinking delicious. But if you guys like this video, subscribe, rate. We have dailyrecipes.co as a website where you can find some more recipes, or on this YouTube channel. But bon appetit, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time.